Hi, I'm just going to show you how to kind of quickly test an amperometric sensor. So I've scanned the QR code for amperometry, so I am in an amperometric mode. I've got a sensor here. I'll put the sensor onto the device. I'll close that up. I've given it some name so I can find it later on, because I can find the data in the cloud very shortly. I'll hit continue. I'm going to run an experiment for 90 seconds. I'll do 1 data point per second. I'll apply a voltage of 650, and I've just put a sort of nominal current range in of 10 microamps. I don't absolutely know what I'm going to get. I'm just going to take essentially a blank solution. So this is one without the analyte in it. So let me put that on, which I'm going to do, and I'll start the measurement. And this is an amperometric measurement, so off it goes. And in a minute, so the data is coming through now, and I'm going to let that run for possibly around about 30 seconds, and then I will add some material then with the analyte in it, so that we can essentially see the change. So let me just check. Yeah, so in a minute I will add this. 3, 2, 1. And then you can see the signal sort of essentially jumps up. I did a little bit of mixing with the tip of the pipette just then to kind of get it all going. But this is a nice way of actually kind of, it does rationalize that, is my amperometric sensor actually working? So I've got the sensor, I applied the voltage, I've got a certain save rate. I had it just in a blank, no analyte in the solution. Then I add the analyte in. I gave it a little bit of a mix with the tip of my pipette. And then I sort of, I can see this kind of clear jump to kind of say that, yes, my amperometric experiment my analyte is being detected, and I can see the current due to that. So I'm probably just a few seconds off the end of it, and then I'll kind of show you the next part after that. So now that's uploading to the cloud. So let me just go over here and share my screen. So I deliberately saved it into something called demo. I can see my device there. I can see my file here. I can see then essentially my data here. So that's just a clean way of sort of, you've got an amperometry or an amperometric sensor. You can put it into the device, make an easy electrical connection. I say the device, this is the sensor all potentiostat. I put a blank 0 analyte solution in originally. Then I just added some more, or added in the analyte about 30 seconds in. And you get that clear jump, and that kind of demonstrates to you, it's a good way of sanity checking, does this sensor essentially work? Does this electronics work in conjunction with that sensor? If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Okay, thanks very much.